How are you playing? Blackie? What you doing, Blackie? What you doing, Blackie? Sonu? What is that, Babu? Go there, go there, go there, go there, okay? Go there. See. See, would you miss to see these happy faces? See those happy faces. See, mother-daughter.
Where is one?
She is afraid.
Different.
She went, I think. Hey. See that smiley.
Now you will throw this down. See,
Ah.
that is his way.
Mm. Mm.
Rinky, Rinky.
Rinky, come. Rinky is not happy because of.
Look at him. I gave him. He put it down.
Now he ate. First time he. Ah. See this one. Look at this surely. Okay.
It.
Okay. Smolo.
Re Baba. He's decent. He's decent.
She's not letting. She's not
You want?
letting.
No, she will eat. After putting 2, 3 down, then she will.
He wants more food for himself.
I don't know. What is
That's
her
why
mentality?
his idea. Chinky? Hey, Chinky! She's very cute. She's very
She's
cute,
very
no?
cute and decent.
Decent. She's like a well mannered doggy. Well mannered.
Oh, look at
Oh,
Take this.
he kept all his biscuits down. See here, Blacky, father. And this is, where is Rinky? 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 Where are you, Rinky?
Seeing the biscuit, she will.
Oh, Rinky is not happy today. No idea, she went. Rinky, where are you? No idea, where is she? He is collecting first all the things, okay? And keeping down for
Giving down.
himself.
Yes.
Then only he is eating it. Very clever, you see? Because he needs more. That's what he feels.
Very clever. Very clever. Very clever. Both are very clever. Okay, good. I'll give you one more. Okay. Sorry, one more.
Whom? Chinky. Lucky. For Blackie also you put. Chinky.
Blackie, some more.
I also need. I also feel hungry. Cutie one. Cutie. She's very cute, right?
Cute, dancing,
Mm.
and both are taking in the same style. Not too much in a hurry. Okay. Blackie is like this.
Mm. They will eat little, like later on they will have food also. Around 11 o'clock, neighbors will put food for
Yes.
them. Okay. They will have good food. They are healthy. They are taken care of. They will, our neighbors, they will take them to doctors if anything happens. Okay. And they will do operation also, neuter. So this dog is neutered. Okay, you can see he's neutered. He's a male dog, but he's neutered, operated. Okay. So I think they will take these two puppies are there like that, black puppies. So they will they will take those two puppies also and do neutering to them also. I think so. When there is the right age for them, they will take it to doctor, neighbors, those people that that house